All right, Plan E is, so 3 or 4 looks similar to what you have today. It does go into Loma, Colorado again. Doesn't quite get all of it. It's kind of halfway in between taking 1 precinct versus 3 or 4, so it takes 2 of the precincts of Loma, Colorado, puts into the District 4, but Vista Hills stays united within District 1. Again, Ford also takes the neighborhood east of Golf Course. District 3 is a different orientation of kind of the central part of Rio Rancho. So District 3, instead of going out west, it just goes vertically. And so it goes up to Adalia and Lisbon. So Lisbon is the rough boundary between 2 and 3. So 3 does go north, takes a lot of population from District 3 up to Adalia in Lisbon. And that does force 2 to add some population that swings around, picks up some people. I'm going to zoom in so I can see the street real quick and turn off this line. Ivory. So this is Baltic to Ivory. So 2 does wrap around. It has goes up to Paseo del Volcan roughly, or this is Paseo de Volcan. And at least these 2 neighborhoods are entirely within District 5, entirely within District 2. So North Hills and Northern Meadows are not split between any 2 districts. And with respect to Enchanted Hills, it is split in yet another place within this particular plan. So in this case, it is split along Paseo del Volcan. So if you feel that splitting Enchanted Hills has to happen, then instead of being along Enchanted Hills Boulevard, then this is a plan that does it along Paseo del Volcan. And so District 1 does lose a little bit of Enchanted. It's kind of swapped some areas in Enchanted Hills between south of Enchanted Hills Boulevard and east of Paseo del Volcan. And it also, in District 1, loses some population in Loma, Colorado neighborhood. So I believe in this one, we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 board member per district. It just so happens. Mm-hmm. So it is kind of nice that all the plans still seem to make some sort of relative sense, given their various objectives, different ways of looking at the school district and how it can be divided up, and yet we're still able to if it's important to you, to have 1 board member per district. And so that is the final plan. That's Plan E.